So today I am going to be potting this cutting of the Peruvian Apple Cactus. I have allowed a week or so, a little over a week actually, for this to callus over. So it should be okay. Yeah. And I've prepped my pot here. And I'm going to put this in and stake it up. And I made sure to use the biggest pot that I had available because these things get massive and I do not want to have to rehome this thing anytime soon. I may have not thought this through. I'm gonna pull this back a ways. I don't necessarily want to bury it too deep, but I want to bury it deep enough. And I might have to... Alright, hold on. Alright, I got this in here, not too deep, and I got the stake in here, because it is not going to want to stay up on its own. And I'm going to fill in with a little bit more soil because I know this is going to sink a little bit. And this is a cactus mix, so it's not going to hold on to its moisture for too long compared to other potting soils or garden soils. And I expect that this is going to be taking off and going crazy once it does root, and I'm sure I'll have some updates of this like doubling in size soon enough. But potting up a cactus or cactus cutting is that simple. Just make sure you have the right potting medium for it and you're not overwatering it once you've got it in here.